Here's a tip for achieving a dark and deep candy color in just 2 or 3 coats. The technique simply lies in varying the undercoat. In this demo, we're using a medium aluminum. The technique works with any type of undercoat: aluminum, pearl, flakes, etc. The application is done on a black background. To achieve a dark candy color, the trick lies in the level of coverage of this black background. Depending on the number of layers of aluminum, we can either keep the black background visible or completely hide it. With a dark background, we get a dark candy color, while with a bright and shiny background, we get a bright and lighter candy color. The advantage is that it saves labor and product. To demonstrate the technique, we paint 5 test plates with a progressive coverage rate, from 1 coat for a dark result to 5 coats for a shiny aluminum finish. So, we apply Candy Red 119 Apple Red varnish to our 5 speed shapes. From the first coat, you can see that we already achieve an intense shade, especially on the sample with a dark metallic finish. We will apply a second coat to reinforce the deep red color. You can see that on the light aluminum undercoat, we achieve a bright red color. As we paint over darker bases, the candy red color deepens. As you can see, we are only on the second coat of candy, and we already achieve a very dark red with this technique. With the classic candy technique, 6 coats of candy red would be necessary to achieve this dark effect. Candy colors have this very interesting optical property. Depending on the viewing angle, you can see either the color or a black reflection. This visual effect is typical of transparent candy colors. Candy is a luminous color. It's truly a light color because the color is produced by the reflection of light off the metallic base. The light bounces off and is then colored by the tinted varnish.
So bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution, I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Everyone says that I should get going, so run.